This is the Weather Extreme video, the morning edition for Friday, July 25th. I'm James Spann. Drier air settling in here. Feels pretty good this morning, but afternoons over the weekend will be hot. But that changes next week. Let's take a look. This is the water vapor satellite view early this morning. And you can see the trough over the east that helped to bring down the drier air last night. Hottest weather in the country will be back in the southwest United States. And hey, look at those numbers. That feels pretty good. We've got 61 for Haleyville, 62 for Cullman at 5 o'clock. But as we often say here, dry air heats and cools very effectively, so the high today will be around 90 in most spots, and the sky should be sunny. Around the nation, you can see that surge of cooler air dipping in here from the north. And even cooler air is due in here by the middle part of next week. And we'll sure take that. Off to the west, heat advisories for parts of the southern plains states today. That would include Oklahoma City and Wichita. No severe weather, at least on an organized basis, expected today around in the country. But tomorrow there is a risk of severe weather, the standard slight risk from near Omaha to Pittsburgh. That would include St. Louis, Indianapolis, Cincinnati. Then on day 3, which is Sunday, there is a risk of severe weather just north of Alabama, with the front coming down from the north. And within that, there is an enhancement over parts of Tennessee, Kentucky, West Virginia, and Ohio. And we'll be keeping an eye on the sky. We do not expect any severe weather down here. And then on day 4, which is Monday, a risk of severe storms over the middle Atlantic coast. Rain for the next 5 days, probably not very much. This is through Wednesday morning of next week, and this is suggesting amounts of only about a tenth or a quarter of an inch over North Alabama. Slightly heavier totals down to the south, and we'll have an opportunity for showers and storms with that front late Sunday night or Monday morning, but it does not look like a big rain event. And the tropics remain very quiet. We'll check the GFS, the Global Forecast System. This is the OZ run, valid today at 1 o'clock local time at 500 millibars, troughing moving off the upper Atlantic coast. 594 heat ring over the southwest, and down below that for us should be a sunny day. Dew points low, meaning the humidity will be low and the high should be around 90. Just for the fun of it, there's the HRRR at 3 o'clock today and absolutely nothing north of US 80. Pretty much the same deal tomorrow. Should be a sunny day, and the heat level's kind of creeping up. Those thickness values are higher, and we'll see low 90s. Somebody might see mid-90s somewhere, and pretty much the same thing on Sunday. Looks like a hot and mostly dry day with low 90s likely. We note that surface low that's over Lake Michigan, and that'll be pulling a cold front down here Monday morning. This is Monday at midday. The front now expected to be near the Tennessee border. We've seen some variations in the timing of this thing, but a good northerly flow develops behind that. And again, we'll mention a chance of showers and storms Monday, especially during the morning. And then on Tuesday, another high-amplitude trough over the east. The axis a little east of here, so I don't think this will be as cool as the other two cool snaps we saw in July, but still a really nice air mass. Should be a sunny day with mid-80s, low humidity. And there's Wednesday. Wednesday morning should be very nice with lows down around low 60s, right at record levels for this time of the year. The record low for July 30th is 61, set back in 1994. We might give that thing a run for the money. And then Thursday of next week still looks kind of dry, moisture beginning to increase, but that certainly doesn't look very wet. And this is a week from today. Look at that. We've still got troughing over the east and ridging over the west, and that should keep temperatures below average, highs in the 80s, and again, some moisture coming back that would suggest maybe some risk of at least scattered showers and storms on that day, which is the first day of August. Here's the end of the forecast, August 9th. Heights about where they should be. No sign of any red. The red, that's positive height anomalies, and that's where you'd expect hotter than average weather. And again, that looks pretty standard, partly sunny, and maybe a storm in spots. Nothing out of the ordinary. That's it for the Weather Extreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock today. If you can, catch us this evening on the live stream of the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.